Good day, viewers. This is Jerry from Make Money Big J channel. Before I continue with what I want to share with you guys today, I want to say you should quickly subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell on the channel so that you can continue to get notification once I drop any new video into the channel. And don't forget to like this video, to share this video, as the channel the big money make money big J channel centers around making money platforms, legit platform that works, and reviews of new platforms and so on and so forth. That is what this channel is all about. So right away, I'm going to be talking to you about the City Nigeria platform I've been talking about for a while now, and I quickly want to just show you right now. If you have not watched the previous video before now on the City Nigeria, please do that. I've done like 2 or 3 videos before now that talks about the City Nigeria platform. Right now I just want to quickly share with you. Yes, I'm in level 3 in this platform. For details, click on my channel and check in for the other videos on City Nigeria. So quickly, I just want to share with you how to make money as an affiliate marketer with this platform, or rather different ways you can make money from this platform. Yes, on this platform you have access to these products, the e-commerce. You have access to all these products when you pay 1,000 license fee, and then you fund your account with 500 naira to buy the first course, and then from there you move to the next level to buy the second course, which is the video editing course, and then to level 3 you get the web design course, and then to level 4 you get the affiliate marketing course. And all this, all through, you make money all this while. The platform provides means for you to buy and sell within the platform as well. As you can see from this is buy, this is sell, so all within this platform. And of course you can make money off this platform as a referrer or as an affiliate marketer. And when you refer and the person you are referring pays their 1,000 naira license fee, you have access. The platform pays you 50% commission through seller.com. Seller is an affiliate marketing platform that hosts a lot of products. So this CCN match with seller.com to be able to be able to have their commission, for affiliate marketers, referrals to have their commission through the platform. So this I'm going to be showing you what I have done with the. Okay, let me go here. Let me show you my earnings with the CCN commission I received for 8 people that have referred so far. Yes, if you look at this page, this is my affiliate linked commission from the CCM commission I received through seller.com. And I place withdrawal for this within some minutes and I get it. This is it here, 50% commission. This is where I'm going here. I'm an affiliate marketer, so this is my dashboard with seller. So this is single product activate license number for City Nigeria, and so far I have made 8 sales with this, with what you have here, which is 500 naira, and that totals to 4,000 naira. And right away I place withdrawal for I place withdrawal for that my commission from seller.com and from seller.co, and within some minutes I got my commission in my account. This is it here. This is it here. A 50% transfer commission was removed. That was what make it 3,950 that was received within 5 minutes. This is, as you can see, seller withdrawal. So that is it. Underneath this video, I'm going to be putting the details of seller.com on this Cost City Nigeria details on the platform, on details on the description of this video for those of you who are watching from my YouTube channel, so that you can register on seller.com as an affiliate marketer, as a referrer, and start referring people. And the good thing about this is that it's easy to market. It's easy to market because all those you are referring are only to pay 1,500 naira to get people to the platform, and that is to get people to buy, and that is to say you to refer people to buy the course. We have 4 courses, like I introduced you to it. We have 4 courses in the platform, and they have to pay 500 naira in order to get registered. So 500 naira times it by how many people you want you are referring, you get 500 naira. If you refer like 10 people, you have 5,000 naira. If you refer 20 people, you have 10,000 naira. So on and on like that, depending on how many people you refer into the platform. So like I said here, this is it here. These are the products that you are bringing people to come and get access to at a token of 1,500 naira. And this you can easily promote to your list on your WhatsApp, your social media platform, and when they sell, you make your 50% commission of the 1,000 license fee. So that is all I have for you, this guys, on Cost City Nigeria platform. How to make money as an affiliate marketer with this platform. Thank you. God bless you. Welcome, sir.